Another weekly analysis, and in today's video we are looking at euro pound. Let's start on a weekly time frame. We have this imbalance that the market has already filled and the market has wicked, leaving behind a pin bar candle, and we have this weekly demand area that the market has not already filled. We are looking at this support area or liquidity area. If this market is strongly going down, I want this market to come and take out this liquidity area before filling this demand area. But now the market is looking that it's willing to go down, because we have this support area now turned resistance area, because the market has closed, because the market has closed below this support area. Now we are looking at this area as a resistance area. Let's switch on a daily time frame. Now on a daily time frame, the market is more clear. We have already filled this imbalance, like 60% of this imbalance. Now the market came, we had the first time the market broke that area. Now the market is retesting that area. So we are looking for the market to hold this area before market coming down, either filling this imbalance and touching this daily demand area before market coming and take this liquidity area. But for now, we have some areas that are interesting that the market has not already touched. We have this imbalance, this is a daily imbalance that the market has already left behind. We have this supply area that the market has not already touched. If this market will break or close above this resistance area, we are looking to sell around these areas. Or if this market hold, we are looking this market to come and touch this demand area before going up, come and hold this area and bounce around this area before this market going down. Or I'm looking this market, if this market will break this resistance area. Now I need the market to come and bounce, creating a support area, and this market to come and fill this imbalance and touch this supply area. Let's switch to a 4-hour time frame. Now on a 4-hour time frame, we have this demand area that the market has not already filled, but we have this support area. That the market has came, looked around this area, and then the market has left behind a demand area. So I want this market to come and touch this demand area. Before market going down, we have this demand area that I want the market to come and fill, and I want the market to come and take this liquidity area, because we have a lot of liquidity sitting below this area. So I want the